So unless you're rich beyond your wildest dreams, you're probably feeling the pinch a little bit right now. That's not in your imagination. It's because of a variety of factors, including the high price of gasoline. In fact, Washington state keeps tag teaming with California for the unfortunate honor of having the highest gas prices in the country. And starting in July, your paychecks got smaller because the state is taking out money for the new long-term care tax. So what do? I mean, it's one thing for us to complain about it, to try to hold politicians accountable for it, which we will continue to do. But also I think it's helpful to try to figure out ways that working class families can save a little bit of money, particularly on things that they need, like insurance. Everyone needs insurance. We have a lot of great show sponsors, but one of them is FirstMark Insurance, a wonderful veteran-owned local company that can not only offer you first-class service, but get you better insurance for a lower price. I have been preaching the FirstMark Challenge on the show. Mike and I took it in the spring. We're now members of the FirstMark family, and I have heard from some of you who took it and are now saving hundreds of dollars a month on your insurance, only to get better insurance and better service through FirstMark. So Dave Taylor, he's a veteran, he's a Marine, he's been in the insurance business for a long time. He talked about the FirstMark Challenge and what their goal is.
We believe and we say that we will help 100% of the people that we work with. Okay. Now that doesn't mean necessarily that 100% of the people we work with are going to become FirstMark clients, but we believe that we will actually help 100% of the people, whether that be stay with your current carrier, but let's modify your coverage a bit so you're better protected, or ultimately, hopefully come over to FirstMark. We're going to put you with a different company and give you better coverage, right? So the challenge is really challenging individuals to give us an opportunity to prove that to them.
So here's how it works. You go to firstmarkinsurance.com. Doesn't cost you anything to take the FirstMark Challenge. You schedule a little bit of time. You can do it virtually. You talk about your current insurance, your insurance needs. They go out, they do all the work for you. You don't pay them anything to do it. And they shop the market. They figure out the best rates for you, the best coverage for you. They come back and present it to you, and then you make a decision. Either you choose to become a member of the FirstMark family or you don't. You say, never mind, I'll keep what I already have. So again, I think it's a no-brainer. It's a wonderful way to try to save money on something you already have and need without getting worse insurance or worse service in the process. And I'll say just this finally, that one of my favorite parts about being a member of the FirstMark family is if we have a claim for any reason on our house or our car, I don't have to call the big insurance carriers and wait through some phone tree. I just call my guys at FirstMark and I'm like, hey, this is what happened, and they take care of it. It's like having an insurance concierge. And again, it's a local company, local people, and we absolutely love working with them on the podcast. So if you're feeling the pinch, take the FirstMark Challenge. FirstMarkInsurance.com. FirstMarkInsurance.com.